Let me ask you something. When was the last time you searched for something on Google and clicked to page 2? Exactly.
Page 2 of Google is practically the best place to hide a dead body.
Thousands of potential customers are searching Google for exactly what your business offers, but they are finding your competitor instead of you. Not because your competitor is better than you, not because they have a bigger budget than you, but simply because they understood something that most Nigerian businesses and most beginner digital marketers are still missing.
They understood SEO, and that changed everything. This is the secret to their massive digital growth. It is truly that simple.
In 2026 than it ever has before, and the practical steps you can take today to start making your business or your client's business visible on Google. Whether you are a business owner trying to get found online or a student building your digital marketing career, this video is going to change how you see the internet forever. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Genesis Digital Solutions, where we turn complex digital marketing concepts into clear, practical knowledge you can use immediately. If you missed our last video on how to build a complete digital marketing strategy, go and watch that first. The link is in the description. Today's video builds directly on that foundation. Here is what we are going to cover today. 1. What SEO actually is and why it matters right now. 2. How Google decides who ranks on page 1. 3. The 3 pillars of SEO every beginner must know. 4. Keyword research, how to find what your audience is searching for. 5. On-page SEO, how to optimize your content to rank. 6. Practical steps to start your SEO journey today. 6 topics, 1 video, everything you need to go from invisible to visible on Google. The journey of 1,000 page 1 rankings begins with a single keyword. Let us bring everything together. Today we covered 6 powerful sections. 1. SEO is how you get found on Google for free, long-term, and consistently. 2. Google ranks content based on relevance, authority, and user experience. 3. The 3 pillars of SEO are technical, on-page, and off-page. 4. Keyword research shows you exactly what your audience is searching for. 5. On-page SEO puts your keywords in the right places to signal relevance to Google. 6. You have a clear action plan to start today. Whether you are a business owner or a student, SEO is not magic. It is not complicated. It is a skill, and like every skill, the more you practice it, the more powerful you become at it. Start today. Be consistent, and within 90 days, you will begin to see your business or your client's business climbing up the Google rankings. My name is Bajomo Ayodeji. Thank you so much for watching Genesis Digital Solutions. If this video added value to you, please like it right now, share it with a business owner or a fellow student who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Genesis Digital Solutions so you never miss a video. And drop a comment below. Tell me, is your business currently showing up on Google, or are you invisible right now? Let me know and let us have a conversation in the comments. See you in the next one.